In this video, we are in the Kootenay National Park and we do a couple of hikes. We see our first two Canadian bears and we have some beautiful scenery along our drive towards Banff. I hope you enjoy. Good morning. It is May 31st. What'd you say, 11:30 in the morning?
11:30.
And we are starting out doing the Dog Lake hike down by the Kootenay River in Kootenay National Park, British Columbia.
It's about 3.5 miles. I'm not sure the elevation gain, but little lake at the end. So plus we get across the river on a bridge. So should be a good hike.
Yep.
I'll try to get some footage for you and see what you think.
We're going to take you along with us. All right, not even 5 minutes into our hike and we already seen our first bear come out of the trail here, and he was running down through the path here, the road. So I don't know if I got my bear bells on and we were talking, so he was running. So I don't know if they worked or not, but pretty exciting. My heart's pounding. So pretty cool. First bear.
Black bear. Hopefully,
black bear, yeah.
Hopefully we got it on video. Yeah,
I don't know if we got it on video or not. We were pretty shocked. Come around the corner and there he was. But he was running.
On the Kootenay River. And it is just a pretty kind of greenish.
Ice blue.
Ice blue, greenish.
Glacier blue is what
glacier
they call
blue, yeah. And we got this nice little bridge we get to come across. Now that our hearts has kind of calmed down from the bear sighting.
That was exciting.
That was. It's our first Canadian bear.
Yes.
And he was friendly. He ran up the opposite way.
Yeah.
Oh man. Let me take a second to show you this. Is that not beautiful? Oh, it's a swinging bridge. This is about the middle of the bridge, as you can tell. It's a little bouncy. Really cool though. Looks like we got another one up here. Kootenay is now our second national park in Canada that we visited. Waterton was the first. And the national park so far has definitely got a thumbs up. Here's another leg of the Kootenay River and another bridge. videotaping you. Videotaping me.
Second time crossing the...
Videotaping me.
Our second time crossing the Kootenay River on a swinging bridge. First time was in Montana, the US of A. This time, it's in Canada. Oh.
This trail definitely has an incline. Since we passed the two bridges going over the Kootenay, we have been gradually going upward. I think we're getting to the top of this mountain, and I think that's where the lake is. So we'll see you at the lake, hopefully. We are now at Dog Lake, and it is pretty awesome. A lot of pines, big mountains in the background. We only saw one bear. Pretty incredible. We pretty much hiked up a mountain and then down that mountain to get to this lake. I think we was about 500-foot elevation gain and then 500-foot drop, but it was worth it.
We just finished up Dog Lake Trail.
Yeah, great hike, great lake.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It was a little rough, had a pretty good incline.
Yeah.
And but it wasn't bad, not like anything like Bear's Hump. This one was doable.
Yeah, we got kind of gradual up the hill, about 500 foot, and then down the hill to the lake, and then again we had to return and do the same thing backwards. But
yep.
Beautiful river we crossed, swinging bridge.
The Kootenay River is like an
It's really pretty.
Icy blue.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
But
how long was it total?
Probably about 4 miles.
About 4 miles, yeah.
What we got here. It says 3.78 that we walked.
So 3¼ miles.
Yeah.
So it was beautiful.
Yeah.
So now off to we're gonna go check out some more hikes and see what else we can find. So ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go. was that? Who was that? Was it Daddy? Goats.
One down here too.
Yep. Okay, we're doing a short little hike down to Marble Canyon. Here on our way to Banff. We took a little stop. Hope you can hear me over the rushing water.
Today,
Oh!
didn't make that one. Come on, never a high one.
Woo! You did it!
Yeah, worked that thing today.
She's gonna sleep the whole rest of the ride.
Jesse, come here. What's that?
Yeah, it's definitely rock. Look at all the layers. It's wild. Leading the way.
Jesse. We just finished the Marble Canyon Trail, and it's just at the edge of Kootenay National Park. This time we got to take Jessie, and Jessie was a trooper, and she was like a puppy running up and down there. But the trail was pretty easy, a little elevation, not much, but beautiful. The water is so pretty going through that canyon with the white and black rocks, and the water being so clear and bluish green. It was a great trail. Hit the road. Bam! Here we come.
You ready, Jesse?
You ready, Jesse?